Okay, today we are going to study about how to calculate tax. This tax is income tax based on the money that you earn. And we'll begin with an example. Each of your family member pays a tax on the money that they earn. But now they're also paying tax on the money that they earn, which goes into your house. Every member that earns a money. And that money is collected and used for repairs or buying a new item for the house. So what they do is that they collect this, even if you or your brother or your sisters is earning a pocket money, they have to pay a certain tax, and all that money is collected and it goes into repairing your house or buying a new item for your house. Now, depending on the cost of living, this income tax slabs, they change every year. This is something that happens with the government also. All the money that people earn and the tax that they pay is used for improving country's facilities, or it goes in various areas. The government's spending spends the tax that they get from the people who earn money. So, or building up roads or different kind of providing better facilities. Similarly, you also earning a pocket money, but you paying a tax on it based on the pocket money that you are getting, and that tax is used to buy a new item for your house. So here is your pocket money. You've got 7,000 as pocket money per month. What tax will you pay at the end of the year? Income tax is always calculated on your annual income. So 7,000 is paid as pocket money per month. So you have to be careful to understand that your annual pocket money would be 7,000 times 12, which is rupees 84,000. Now look at the money that you earn. On first rupees 12,000, you earn 84,000. We will divide this money as per the income tax slabs. On first part of 12,000, you pay 0 tax. Now on the next part, which is 30,000 minus 12,000, but this is the slab. That means it is 30,000 minus 12,000, which is equal to rupees 18,000. You pay 10%, which is 180. On the next slab, which is 30,000 to 50,000, which is rupees 20,000. So first part was 12,000, then was 18,000 that you paid the tax on, and the third is 20,000. Because this is the slab here, 30,000 to 50,000, you pay 20%, which is rupees 400. After that, you've already paid now on 12 plus 18 plus 20,000. So out of 84,000, you've already paid income tax on 50,000 rupees. You are left above 50,000. You are left with 34,000 rupees, and you pay a slab of 30% on this, which is rupees 1,020. So your total income tax that you pay is 180 plus 400 plus 1,020, which is rupees 1,600. I'll use a ladder or a number line to give you a better understanding of how you are paying your income tax as per the slabs. If this whole ladder, this part till this part, this to this, we can erase this. Let's see if we have an eraser. I am going to erase this, and then we go back to our income. if this is your income, all of it, this is 0 to 84,000. Now if you look at this, from 0 to 12,000, this is your income, first 12,000, you pay 0 tax. From 12,000 to 30,000 rupees, if you take out, which is rupees 18,000, this much. The first 12,000, this is rupees 12,000, the income tax is, first 12,000, the income tax is 0%. Then 12 to 30,000, your income is, the money that you have is 18,000, the income tax is 10% of 18,000, which is 180 rupees. From 30,000 to 50,000, which is 20,000, the part of your income, you pay 20%. As you can see, this is 12,000, then 12,000 to 30,000, and this slab you pay 10%, this slab you 20%. Now 50,000 to 84, you are left with 34,000. You pay an income tax of 10%. Sorry, 30%. So these are the slabs. If you can see very clearly in the number line, it becomes very clear how the income tax is used. Now we take another example and calculate the income tax. These are the slabs. This is Mrs. Shah's income, and now you need to calculate the amount of income tax Mrs. Shah paid in 2011, 2012, or was it 2001, 2002? I'm sorry, there's a mistake here. This is 2001 and 2002. These are the income tax slabs. Let's look at it. Tax on the first 1880. I can draw here. Her total income is 31240, and up to 1880 pounds she has to pay, which is 1880 here. She pays 10%, and you can see here that is what it is, counted as 188 pound. 10% of 1880 is 10 is percent is 0.1010 times of means times 1880, which is 188 pound. Tax on the next is, this is next slab is this. So from 1880 to 2009 29,400, which means this difference 1882 is 27,520. The income tax will be paid on this. The first part of the income up to 1880 is taken and it is taken 10%. The next part is 27,520, and the income tax paid is 22%. Because it is 22%, means 22 upon 100, which is decimal to 2. So it is 22%, which is 6054. Now you can see after 29 is this, which looks bigger, but this is up to this is the next part above, and that is how much? 1840. And income tax paid is 40%, which is 736 pounds. Let's give you again an example. We'll work it out here on the ladder again. Up to pound 1880, based on the slabs as you had said, it is 10%. Then from 1880 to 29,400. Now this money has already been paid. 1880 comes out of his income. He's paid the income tax, which is 10%, and that money is equal to 10% on 1880 is 188 pounds. After this, he has to pay income tax on this slab. This is the money that he'll pay income tax on, which is, if you subtract this difference as you can see, and this, the money is 27,520 pounds, and income tax as per the slab is 22%, which is 6054.40 cents. Now after this is the what it is left. His total income was 31,240 pounds. So this is the income that he has to pay tax on. This was the total income. So this here he paid 22%, and here she'll pay 40% tax, and this difference is 1840 pounds, and this, so 40% of 1840 pounds is 736 pounds. So total tax that is paid is 6,978. I hope you all have understood, and based on this, now your question is that you need to write a question based on your own pocket money and a different income tax slab. You're going to write a question based on your pocket money, what you think you should be earning, with a different income tax slab, and then you will be calculating the income tax. After your question is done, you will be calculating and uploading it on the Moodle. Thank you.